In last video, we saw how to open a CANoe configuration using PyCANoe uh, package, and also we saw how to start the measurement, CANoe measurement. Also, we saw how to stop a measurement and to close CANoe configuration. Okay, in this video, we will see how to get a signal value. Okay, and how to set a signal value. Okay, so let's go back to our CANoe, PyCANoe Python script. Okay, let's use the function from this example. Once the measurement is started, we want to read the value of the signal flashlight. Okay, so this flashlight signal is part of this demo configuration. So I'm using the same signal here, and to get a signal value, there is a method called the get signal value. And if you see the documentation of the signal value, first argument is first parameter which we need to pass is bus. um, so which type of bus we are using, or where that signal whatever we are trying to read is part of which bus. So the bus types can be CAN, LIN, FlexRay, MOST, AFDX, Ethernet. Right now for our demo purpose we are using CAN signal. Okay, so that's why CAN is mentioned here. And the second parameter which we need to pass is the channel number. So here uh, we are using channel 1. So on channel 1 this flashlight signal is sent, that's why uh, I am using 1 as an argument. um, and the third parameter is message, which is the name of the message this signal belongs to. And fourth argument is your signal name itself. So you need to pass a signal name as a fourth argument. So once all the four arguments are passed, the fifth argument is optional, which is raw value. So if you wanted to um, return a raw value, okay, then you can mention this raw value parameter as true. Okay, so then whatever raw signal available for that signal will be uh, reverted back from CANoe. So if by default it is false, which means the value which we are trying to read is a physical value. Okay, now let's try to read this value and print it. Okay, once it is printed, what we will do, maybe let's name it here as light value equal to uh, the returned value. Okay, now once the value is read, now what we will do, we will try to set a value to this flashlight signal. Okay, now so to set a value, method is set signal value. Okay, so sorry, set signal value. Okay, if you see the documentation for set signal value, all the parameters will be same. Extra parameter is this value parameter, which is the value of the signal. Okay, let's try to set it to 1, value 1, and yeah, After setting the value, we will try to read it back again. Maybe we will wait for 0.5 seconds before reading the value back again. Okay, if it is a cyclic message of 1 second, then the wait time should be more than 1 second, or else you are reading a value which is not yet transmitted on canvas. So the previous value will be read. Okay, so for this, I think let's wait for 1.5 seconds. I don't think so. The message cycle time is more than one here in this case. Yeah, once the value after change, maybe here we will print it as before change. Let's wait for the CANoe configuration to open. You can see it is opening here already. And, measurement is started. So you can see it here. Flashlight value before changing is 0 and after change it is 1. Okay, it means the value is set to 1. Okay, so that's it for uh, this video. In next video we will see how to set a system variable and also how to read a system variable. Okay, thank you.